Hi, I'm Tyler Grant, and this is a little sneak peek of my upcoming lesson series on JamPlay.com, where we are looking at classic country guitar in the Telecaster style. Now, you don't need a Telecaster guitar for this series. Any electric guitar will do. And in this short lesson, we're going to be teaching you about the 50s era Sun Records style Tock guitar. Now, this is a style specific to a guitar player named Luther Perkins, who was part of the Tennessee Three with Johnny Cash. All those Johnny Cash albums, you hear that Tock guitar happening. And that is a method of shadowing the bass. So the bass player is playing a root, fifth pattern. So those are the bass notes. And they move through the chord changes. So we're in the key of C major, and we're doing a traditional song called the Red River Valley. Now the song goes like this. I'll just sing it, and you can hear the chord changes. Come and sit by my side if you love me. Do not hasten to bid me adieu. Just remember the Red River Valley and the cowboy that loved you so true. I'd probably key it up a little bit for my voice, but we're working on the C major scale. We're working on finding melodies and finding those bass lines in the key of C. So, the bass line for that, you've heard the chord changes now. The bass line goes like this. 1, 2, 3. The bass player is going to be doing that 1, 5, 1, 5 on each chord. So the basic Tock style would just be to copy that, but on the guitar we would be on our bridge pickup, our twangiest position, and we do a palm mute. So you just mute just over the bridge saddles, enough to mute the strings for a nice percussive sound, but not completely muted where you don't hear the note. Just enough that you can still hear the note. So a basic Tock would be playing those exact notes, or as close as you can, with the bass player to add a punctuation. So let's try that with the rhythm track at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. Now, to emulate this Luther Perkins style, we would add a couple notes. So there's a technique called the boom strum, where we do the same bass notes, but put a chord strum in between. Now, what Luther would do is do the palm mute with the Tock bass notes, and instead of strumming the whole chord, he just basically hit the next note on the consecutive higher string. So you basically work that kind of thing through each chord. You could do those notes, or you could do the higher notes. So let's try that at a slower tempo on Red River Valley. 1, 2, 3. This lesson series will take us from some really basic exercises and songs that any beginning guitarist can play on up to 1950s era Sun Records style with this Luther Perkins style tick-tock, as well as some Luther Perkins style leads. On up to some really flashy, hot picking styles of players like Albert Lee, Roy Nichols, and James Burton. So if you want to know more about this classic country guitar style, please come see us at JamPlay.com.